So engineers now, they're vibe coding, they're moving things, kind of putting the puzzle pieces together that AI has created. But where I'm wondering if you're going to go is in the future, AI will be able to connect those puzzle pieces itself, and engineers will be removed from the equation.
Yeah, it's tough to tell. I mean, engineers will, I think one skill that's irreplaceable is deciding what to build, and how to build it, and using best judgment there. Anybody can vibe code a tool that nobody wants. I think if an engineer it has the ability to decide what is important, um, and then going down that direction, that will always be valuable.
Yo, producer Rick, give us a little breakdown, give us a little rap, a couple lines, and include vibe code in there. It's something about vibe code. And Ricky, go, baby.
Well, vibe coding, ideas are loading, telling AI in plain English, I ain't trolling. I'm trying to get more time to vibe, so I'm gonna make this AI agent do all the boring shit, give you 8 bars. Don't got 8 cars, but my truck will drive really far. If I could drop a vibe in this mode, I could generate a code to never ever go broke.
All right, we're back. I
Okay.
can't wait to see what Ricky produces there.
Okay.
My producer, Ricky, jumps in every now and again. I love him. He's my best friend, and I like to get him involved. He looks at all this stuff after the fact, and just fun to mix it in a little bit. So I'm a big fan of AI, huge. And when I ask like, oh, will engineers be removed? I'm not asking it like that. What I'm thinking more along the lines of, Tommy, is like, what jobs do you foresee that will be created that don't currently exist because of AI?
Interesting.
Like, will engineers be repurposed? Will the developers that are coding be repurposed? Do you see, like, in your line of vision, something that could happen with these people that they're not currently working on but could be working on?
Yeah, I think it's already happening. Engineers are steering these AI agents to do work for them. Um, it's definitely already happening. Being able to solve problems, I don't think that'll go away. There's so many problems out there that can be solved, or systems that can be improved or enhanced. Um, and being able to connect with people to understand the problem and focus on the solution is always going to be important. And of course, AI will play a bigger role in that. But that's just the work about work. It's not deciding what to work on.
You said something a minute ago that is still sitting with me, which is knowing what to create is really hard. And like, you give AI a task, it'll do tasks all day, it'll write the code. But like, what are we coding today? To me, it feels like critical thinking is going to take a front seat in every job more than it ever has, because everyone essentially has a team of slaves working for them that are way smarter than them at calculating anything. And so, but what do we put them to work on? When you can do anything, what do you do?
Yeah, the world is everyone's oyster at this point. I mean, you said it at the beginning. You can tell when there's AI slop out there, and I've been working on a few projects where people are sending me these AI summaries, and I can tell it's just copied and pasted from Claude, and it's just a verbose summary straight from Claude, and I'm like, hey, can we condense this a bit? Can we kind of remove some of the noise here? And so I don't know, maybe that's just my preference is for um, concise answers, but yeah.
I'm just sitting with that for a second. Concise answers. I agree with you. I like my information bullet pointed. I like main bullet points, sub bullet points that explain the main bullet point, so on and so forth. I don't want paragraphs. Paragraphs are like, I can reference the recording if I need to get the nuance there.
Agreed.